Hey everybody, it's Roy here from Oracle12 and EpicDroid.com with a super quick video showing you guys how to remove the Ghostek Nautical case from your device. Ghostek makes some awesome cases and the Nautical is an insanely protective, insanely good case. However, it can be a little bit difficult to take it off, especially if it's been a while since you put it on. The good news is it's a fairly easy process, you just have to know a couple of tricks to make it happen. So looking at the bottom of the case here, you'll have these two flaps. Not every case has it, but if you do have these, you want to make sure you open them. You have a USB-C charging port as well as a S-Pen port. You're going to pop those open. You're going to flip the case over. Here on the back, this is on the left side, so if you're looking at the case, you should see it here on the bottom left. It is usually here in this spot, but if it's not, just look for a little teeny notch. This one is kind of hidden, but you can see it right there. That notch is above the lanyard loophole on this one. You're going to take a fingernail or something, put it back there in that corner, pry back, and it is going to be difficult to pop it off that first little bit. But once it starts to go, you are good to go. Then you can go ahead and pop out the phone the rest of the way. If you do have a fingerprint sensor on the front, it will stick to that. Just pull that off, pop it off, and presto, you are done. So like I said, the process is super easy. It's super straightforward. If you guys have any questions about it, if you have any questions about the Ghostek Nautical or anything else you've seen in this video, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and reply as soon as we're available. If you found this video helpful, please remember to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching. Thank you for all your support. You all have an awesome day.